viewers. Today I am going to talk about the learning disability. So, learning disability is a neurological disorder that affects the brain's ability to receive, process, store, and respond to information. So, in our education system, everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. So, it is same with the children. Okay, so every children is different, every individual is different, and if we compare one children's potentialities with other children, so there might be very much differences, and their way of learning is also different. So we have to identify the potentialities of the children, each children, and then we have to make plan accordingly how to teach to the children, and then only we can give expectation also that a child might achieve a particular goal. The sense constantly send informations to brain regarding surroundings and other people. The brain may overwhelmed or get confused, can't say loud how they feel to comfortable situations. The main feature of learning disability is the distinct gap between the level of achievement, intellectual disability, that is expected, and what is actually being achieved, that is academic performance. Learning disability generally affects a person's ability in the areas of reading, writing, and mathematics. Children with learning disability process information differently and do not have primary sensory deficits, intellectual disability, emotional disturbance, or motor handicaps. Teachers usually do not receive any formal training to recognize learning disability. Despite the fact that learning disability is a known classroom disorder, it has not reached its optimum awareness levels in schools in the country. Teachers either ignore the deficiency or blame on the child's personality, branding it as a laziness, attitude, or aggression. The child continues to graduate from one class to the other totally inept at handling the pressure of the higher classes. This leads to behavior problems. Approximately 20% of children in a classroom get poor marks, and one of the causes for this is learning disability, that is SLD. Through timely detection and remedial measures, it can be taken care of. Its prevalence is around 5% to 16%. The signs to look for identifying learning disability: preschool age, problem in pronouncing words, trouble in finding the right word, difficulty in rhyming, trouble in learning the alphabet, numbers, colors, shapes, days of the week, difficulty in following directions or learning the routines, difficulty in controlling crayons, pencils, and scissors, or coloring within the lines, difficulty with buttons, zippers, snaps, learning to tie shoes. Age 5 to 9 years, signs of learning disability: trouble in learning the connection between letters and sounds, unable to blend sounds and make words, confusion in basic words while reading, slow to learn new skills, consistently misspells words and make frequent errors, trouble in learning basic maths concepts, difficulty in telling time and remembering sequences. Learning disabilities may manifest in the difficulty in classroom situation, understanding language, memorizing, processing information, replying when spoken to, causing difficulty in group discussion, sustaining attention, planning and orientation, time management, material management, self-assessment, number sense, sequencing, time concept, managing alignment, decimals, fractions, etc. Types of learning disability. First is dyslexia, that is reading disability, dysgraphia, written language disability, dyscalculia, maths disability, self-image, depression, sometimes good at tasks we find difficult, drawing, music, etc. So first we will deal with dyslexia or reading disability. It most commonly affects reading, spelling and writing. Some people have problem with only one of these, others have trouble with spoken language. They find it difficult to express themselves clearly or understand what other people say. They read slowly or have trouble remembering what they read, and they may fail to see or hear similarities and differences in letters and sounds. Dyspraxia, a learning difficulty specific to fine or gross motor symptoms are difference in speech, perception problems, poor hand-eye coordination, poor balance and posture, clumsiness and fatigue. Dyscalculia, learning disability in maths. Disability in maths, children have trouble in quantities and concepts like bigger and smaller. They may also struggle with math symbols and more complex maths. Approaches to reading instructions. Sight word instruction, phonics instruction create effects on students' ability to create meaning with print. Comprehensive learning instruction, reading instruction, same methods of teaching as normal children. So we can see by this example how a dyslexic child see the reading. So he finds the written material, some gaps, okay, some words are missing. Sometimes the words like dancing words appears to them, that's why they are not able to concentrate on reading. So we should know that there are different learning styles like visual, auditory and writing and kinesthetic approaches. So we can apply these approaches according to the need of the child and teach properly. So this is the checklist. Essential intervention for children with learning disability in classroom. So for reading, encourage and support efforts of reading with faith in students' abilities. Provide reading material with main points highlighted. Provide timely support for pronunciation, vocabulary and abstractions. Audio record reading for comparison and self-efforts, parents and peer support. Keep flexibility in length of text. Permit students to contribute in the group through alternative communication, drama, role playing, etc. Notes weekly reading programs, playing word building games, link new reading with previous experiences, visualize the text being react. Early intervention related to writing in classroom. So support the written work by providing cues such as story starters, pictures, verbal support. Allow alternative forms of expressions, matching, object types, true, false, etc. Teach strategies for writing, maintain equal spacing, strokes, clay, sign use. Okay, encourage review and editing of the written work before submission. Excuse students from the written assignments requiring copying. Early intervention for learning disability related to maths in classroom. Provide extra opportunities for drill and practice. Focus on key skills in play, way method and tricks. Use of ICT calculator, assistive devices, audio recording devices. Focus on functional and practical mathematics as per the functional abilities. Purchasing, playing, participating in school mela, ludo, traditional games, instructional games, self-correcting materials, repeat directions, mark or pinpoint directions can be used. Maintain daily routines, provide graphic organizers, use step-by-step instructions, use boards in home too. Place a student close to the teacher, display work samples. So negativity, it can only affect you if you are on the same frequency. So vibrate higher and start training. So these are some of the examples. In the playway method, the learning disabled child is treated. Okay, so flashcards are here. The flashcards, the teacher is showing flashcards.